Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Select the correct statement is given to you. And what has been written over here? The option A, log 19 base 3 multiplied by log of 3 base 1 by 7 multiplied by log of 1 by 7 base 4 is less than 2. So let's see whether it is right or not. I may write it like log 19 divided by log 3 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 1 by 7 whole multiplied by log 1 by 4 divided by, guys, this was 1 by 7, so log 1 by 7 divided by log 4. Now let's see what all things are getting cancelled over here. Log 3 will be cancelling log 3, log 1 by 7 will be cancelling log 1 by 7. Now it is given to you as log 19 base 4. Now my dear students, what power of 4 will yield 19? It means, so that will be definitely 4 power 1 is like, I may write log of 16 base 4 will be what? 2, and log of 64 base 4 will be what? 3, and since base is 4, so log will be a increasing function over here. So 2 is less than log of 19 base 4, which is less than log of 64 base 4 means 3 it will be. That means log of 19 base 4 lies in between 2 and 3. That means this whole thing is log of 19 base 4, which will be lying in between 2 and 3. So it can never be less than 2. So option A would be wrong over here. Now let's see what about the option B written over here. So for option B, we will be writing the equation. This is the equation given to you, has two real solutions. So log x square plus 8 base 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2. Taking anti-log on both the sides, that means taking it on the power of 1 by 3 on both the sides. So equal to symbol will be coming down over here. So log of 1 by 3 base 1 by 3 will be becoming 1. So x square plus 8 will be written over here. And 3 to the power 2 will be becoming 9 over here. So x square will be becoming 1 over here, or x square minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus or minus 1. Now guys, we are concerned about whether this plus or minus 1 both would be making the argument of log as positive or not. So yeah, it is making the argument of log as positive over here, and both of these are the solutions of the given equation. So option B will be going right over here. Now let's see option C, whether it is right or not. So option C is given to you. What is the option C given to you? Let n is equal to log 15 base 2 log 2 base 1 upon 6 multiplied by log 3 base 1 upon log 3 log 1 by 6 base 3. The greatest integer which is less than or equal to n is 3, means greatest integer function of n is 3. They are giving to you. So how it can be written by me? N is equal to log of 15 divided by log of 2 multiplied by log of 2 divided by log of 1 by 5 multiplied by log of 1 by 6 divided by log of 3. Now let's see what all things are getting cancelled over here. So we may write, guys, this is log 2 divided by log 1 by 6. So this log 1 by 6 will be getting cancelled with log 1 by 6, and log 2 will be getting cancelled with log 2. Now we may write log 15 base 3. Now guys, definitely log of 9 base 3 will be less than this, and log of 27 base 3 will be greater than this. That means 2 will be less than log of 15 base 3, and which will be less than 3 over here. So greatest integer function of number lying in between 2 and 3 will be what? 2 only. So option C will be going wrong over here. So equation log of the fourth option, what is given to you? The equation log x base 4 plus log x plus 2 base 4 is equal to log of 3x base 4 has no prime solution. So let's see whether it is right or not. So guys, we already know log a plus log b is equal to log ab. So log x base 4 plus log x plus 2 base 4, x plus 2 base 4 will be becoming what? Product of these two things, and it is equal to what? Log of 3x base 4. So that will be becoming log of x square plus 2x base 4, which will be equal to log of 3x base 4. Now taking anti-log on both the sides, x square plus 2x, we would have to check for the domain also. So that also I will write it over here. X should be greater than 0 and x plus 2 should be greater than 0, and 3x should be greater than 0. The first one is x greater than 0 and x greater than minus 2 and x greater than 0. That means all intersection I will be taking, that means x is greater than 0. So x square plus 2x is equal to 3x will be achieved by me on taking antilog. That means x square minus x is equal to 0. That will be giving me x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over here. So guys, x is equal to 0 would not be getting satisfied because x should be greater than 0. So x is equal to 1 will be the solution of this equation. So the expression has no prime solution. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so it is not a prime solution. So option D would be also going right for this question. So option B and option D would be going right for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.